Welcome to this beautiful new construction home in the desirable Jovita neighborhood in Auburn. This property is sitting on a shy half-acre land, is fully fenced and beautifully landscaped, and is packed with premium features. As we step through these elegant double doors, you will notice these stunning architectural details. The soaring ceiling creates an incredible sense of space, and the custom large bay windows flood the foyer with natural light. One of the true highlights of this home is the gourmet kitchen. This spectacular space was designed for both entertaining and everyday living. The centerpiece of the kitchen is this oversized island with luxurious quartz countertops. It offers abundant space for food preparation and casual dining. The custom cabinets you will see all over the kitchen, they offer exceptional storage space. This kitchen is equipped with nothing but the finest appliances. Oh my god, this landscape rectangular yard is a private oasis, perfect for entertaining or peaceful relaxation. Upstairs, you will find a luxurious primary suite. You are going to love this space. Look at this luxurious primary bathroom. It's like having your own personal spa. Check out the gorgeous modern tiles and sleek quartz countertops. And the best part, the fabulous soaking tub. It has the most incredible views of the backyard. This is perfect for unwinding after a long day. And don't forget this huge shower. This walk-in closet is a game changer. There are tons of space for you to organize all your clothes, shoes, and accessories. There are 2 extra bedrooms on this floor. This spacious bedroom is perfect for family or guests. The large window brings in tons of natural light. And here is the exciting part. It has its own walk-in closet. And last but not least, we have another fantastic room here. It's also got its own walk-in closet, and this room is beautifully bright and it could work perfectly as a bedroom, home office, or even a workout space. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me on this tour of this beautiful home in Jovita neighborhood. With its spacious design, premium features, and unbeatable location, this home is truly one of a kind. If you want to make this dream home yours, or if you have other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you to take the next step.